Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. Today, in this video, we are going to repair a 32-inch Reconnect LED TV that has sound but no display. Friends, when we tap on the TV display, you can clearly notice a white light flashing. This confirms that the backlight is working properly. So the issue is not with the backlight, the actual problem is with the display panel itself. As we discussed in our previous videos, these types of problems are mostly caused by internal shorting in the gate signals inside the LCD panel glass. If the shorting occurs on one side of the panel, we can attempt to repair by disconnecting the gate signals from the faulty side. So friends, let's begin the repair process. This TV uses a 32-inch Samsung panel with an SM4186 Dc Ic. Due to the internal shorting in the gate signals, this Dc Ic goes into protection mode. Because of that, it fails to generate essential panel voltages such as VGH and VGL, which results in a no display condition. Friends, here you can see the gate signal tracks on both the right side and left side of the panel. First, we will cut the right side gate signal tracks. If the picture appears, the repair is successful. If the picture does not appear, we will reconnect all the cut tracks and repeat the same process on the left side. Now friends, we have cut the right side gate signals.Our on the TV and checked the display. As you can see, the picture has appeared, and the TV is now working normally. But friends, always remember, this method is only a temporary solution. The permanent solution is panel replacement, and it's impossible to predict how long the display will continue to work using this method. It completely depends on luck and usage conditions. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this repair helpful. If you like our content, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications for future videos. Thank you.